Welcome to Beyond the Shine, CSI's video newsletter. I am your host, Brighton the Lustre Bear. Our topics today are: can you apply a ceramic coating in a car wash, truth or myth? 5 factors of cleaning a car. Upcoming trade shows where CSI will be. What does ceramic infused really mean for tunnel or other automated car wash application? Based on current chemical formulation industry knowledge and the reactivity of the active chemicals, it would be exceptionally challenging in a tunnel car wash environment. To learn more, click on the icon below. Did you know there are 5 critical factors when cleaning a car: water quality, temperature, mechanical action, dwell time and chemistry? It is imperative to have high quality water, as no other factor of cleaning can truly offset poor water quality. To learn more, click on the icon below. Fall is show time. If you are attending these upcoming car wash shows, please stop by and see us. NRCC Northeast Regional Car Wash Convention going on this week, September 23rd to 25th in Atlantic City, New Jersey. NACS National Association of Convenience Stores October 1st to 4th in Atlanta, Georgia. Followed by Carwick's Canadian Car Wash Association October 29th to 30th in Abbotsford, British Columbia, Canada. To learn more, click on the icon below. Thank you for watching this issue of Beyond the Shine. Until next time, remember, Lustre products guarantee a quality car wash with a lasting shine. Give your car a hug.